Hello guys, I've got a product which I actually can't wait to unbox, and yeah, I can't wait, so I'll show you guys now. I'm gonna unbox it now and you guys can see what it is. Okay, so this might make it a bait already. As you can see, it looks like yep, it's the Steam Deck. So I'll quickly do an unboxing of this, guys, and show you. Right there. So first, yep, you get advertised showing all this stuff here in different languages and English on the subway, which is a handheld, isn't it? So you can take it anywhere with you. But what is really mad about this, it's a gaming PC on your hand, and it's powerful as well, so it's amazing. But so first of all, let's see what we got in the box. So I think this is where all the wires and plug is, so let's have a look now. Quickly just put that there. Quickly have a look. So just having a quick look. Nothing else. Okay. So it's the plug you get. I think it's a 45-watt plug, I think. Yes, it is. Yep, that's good. And plugs into a Type-C. So you can use different plugs, but you gotta make sure it's the right wattage, and good to go. So you can have one where you can just take the wire off and that. But it's good to give you that. Okay, the main thing now. The good thing is they give you a carrying case as well. So let me put that one side. Okay. This actually looks like you're just buying the case. You know how it's packed. Yeah, I like it. It's good. It's actually unique as well. Okay, let's get straight into it. Doesn't that look like you're just buying the case? I'm just looking at it again. Okay, let's get into it. So I can't open it yet, it's got a locks thing on it. Let me have a look at this, what this lock is quickly. So let's have a quick look at the packaging, or the bag. From feeling the quality of it, it's actually very good. Nice embossed logo for the Steam Deck. It feels nice. It feels like you can actually feel the premiumness on it. It's got some security tag. It's quite a nice feature, that is. I think that's there for maybe if you resell it or something, for scalpers or something, I'm not sure. But you're going to have to cut that off eventually. So yeah, well, we're going to do that. But what's this? Oh, that's a nice feature. I think you got to put the charger in there and then put it in here. Well, that's very clever. That is actually a nice feature. Definitely I'm going to put the charger in that in a minute. Actually, let's do it now just to show you. So quickly show you this quickly. So that goes in here. Quickly put the wire. So that goes in there like so. Just put that in here. So it does stick out a bit, but it's not that bad. It's actually a clever idea anyway. Anything else in here? Oh, it looks like you could put some wires or something small in there as well. That's good. Oh, on that side as well. So with this case here, so this is the 512 gig model. So you get extra premium stuff like the normal one. This is just plain white, I think, and it's just different quality as well. But yeah, man, let's get straight into it. But let's have a look at this. So yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that. So I'll do that now. There we go. So now that's actually cut now. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look. I actually can't wait to have a look. But let's see. So all the way. Here it goes. Let's see. Wow, there it is. Look at that. It's a funny looking machine, but looking good. Okay, this. Oh, that's how you take it out. Okay. Got to put a screen protector on this as well in a minute. Let's see what's in the box. So that's it, microfiber cloth, and then that's inside the case. Okay, not much, but still, that's getting this premium stuff anyway, so it's alright. Okay, let's have a look at the Steam Deck. So here it is. Wow, actually, that is a nice feel. Wait, I'm just thinking. That actually feels better than the Switch. No lies. Yeah, definitely feels better. So these are nice analogs you get here. You can actually press it as well. So you get a nice 7-inch display as well. So that's nice. 512 gig with this model. I think with this one, I think it's the anti-glare, yeah, and a little bit of anti-glare. So yeah, let's have a quick look. It's just made out of a strong plastic, very sturdy. Yeah, even the touch pads here feel good, quite solid as well. D-pad. I mean, thinking of this design, it looks a bit funny design, but there's a purpose of that because we're mainly like, look at our hands, it's going to be on it anyway, on this part, so this would be very good to play like classic games as well, even JRPGs and that. That's the main thing, because I'll be playing my old Final Fantasies and that with it as well. This way, I think, yeah, you can put your micro SD in there, so that's good. So maybe later on you can get a 1 TB, it's up to you guys, 1 TB or something to store your Steam games. Nice shortcut back buttons here, a vent here for the fan for it to breathe. Volume up and down. Oh, nice headphone jack, you can definitely need that. And another vent here, just like the Switch, and Type C and power. These ones here, these remind me of like the Hori pads for the Switch, but all joints, so it's actually quite good here. So this is what it looks like from here. It's quite wide, not much. But yeah, I mean, first impressions, it looks nice. I'm not going to turn it on yet, like this is just unboxing, but maybe later on I'll do another video of everything set up and everything. But the screen size looks good, especially that 7-inch. Be awesome if they put OLED, but I mean, for the cost value, the cost prices, they have to put it a bit down. But it's still good. So it looks nice. Let me get my Switch to do a comparison quickly with the Hori sticks. So this is my Switch. Just gonna do a comparison here quickly. So you can already see the size. So I'm just measuring the screen. Screen is a little bit big on the Switch. Oh yeah, it is. It's just a little bit narrow. But look, to make the Switch even better, you definitely need to get these pads. Makes it feel good. And then there's the Steam Deck. But what's crazy though is how powerful this thing is compared to this. It just destroys the Switch. So like you can still even play AAA games on this. Like that's just amazing. Like, it's just proper amazing. Shortcut Steam button and that. Yeah. It's amazing how this actually plays Cyberpunk and Forza as well. But there you go, guys. It's just a quick video of the unboxing, but I'll get into more detail on it soon. But this is the 512 gig model as well, so you get all that extra premium stuff, fast SSDs, and just extra little quality purposes here of the screen and that. But there you go, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.